I'm Kahla Rachal, and I'm an account manager for Third Coast Chemicals. I handle a lot of our brake fluid accounts and JEFFCOOL, which is an industrial coolant and heat transfer fluid. I've been with Third Coast for almost 3 years now and in the chemical industry for 15 years. I was motivated to pursue my current role at Third Coast because I was just ready to challenge myself professionally after being in the same role for many years. I was just ready to learn more about the chemical industry and grow professionally and personally. When looking at Third Coast and the growth that it was having over the last several years, I thought this would be a great opportunity to really push myself out of my comfort zone and to learn and grow alongside with this developing company. Something I'm most proud of during my time at Third Coast is the relationships that I've built with our customers. By providing excellent service and building a strong connection with them, it's vital to the success of our business. I think and I hope that our customers understand how important they are to us and how hard we work to meet their needs. By prioritizing excellent customer service, building strong connections and trust with them, and understanding their needs, we not only retain loyal customers, but we can attract new ones. It's very motivating to continue to make a difference at Third Coast when you think about how important chemicals are to our society. Chemicals play a fundamental role in pretty much every aspect of our lives. Chemicals make the world go round. It's very exciting to get to work with our customers and here at Third Coast and get to really witness that firsthand. It's also inspiring to work for a company like Third Coast who value women as leaders and our involvement in what historically has been a predominantly male-driven industry. Third Coast is still fairly small and a family-owned business. Working for a smaller company gives you a greater opportunity to still have a significant impact on the success of the company. Being able to directly see the results of your efforts and contributions can be incredibly rewarding.